that time. It's Black Friday, and Tony and I went through some of our favorite deals that we found to show them to you. So let's get started, Tony.
Yeah, we have cameras from Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fuji, DJI drones and gimbals, as well as just fun stuff for nerds. First up, these are the Canon deals that I found. You can get the Canon RP full frame mirrorless camera for $900. It's my favorite entry-level full frame camera, and for $900 it's an amazing deal. This is what we're filming this on right now. It's a beautiful camera. You can step up to the EOS R and get a few more benefits at $1,600 high resolution, or the Ultimate R6 kit has that amazing wildlife eye autofocus. It comes with a lens for $2,800. It's crazy they're discounting it already. Head to sdp.io/cbf and all these links are in the description. KEH is our favorite way to buy and sell used gear.
They have 10% off site-wide, and this is a really good opportunity if you're looking to upgrade or if you're looking to get rid of your gear. Now is the time to do it with them. I've never seen such a big discount with them. So use the coupon code BF20A and go to sdp.io/KEH to check out the deals. There are some limitations, and that sale ends in a few days. On the 30th, so you want to get to that one quick and make sure you get to their inventory fast.
Yeah, a lot of these are going to disappear, so move fast. I just bought one of the new MacBook Pro M1 ARMs, and the new chip is amazing. Chelsea, I rendered a video on my high-end MacBook Pro from 2019 and then on this new ARM. My high-end MacBook Pro rendered it in 12 minutes. My new M1 ARM computer rendered it in 4 minutes.
Okay, that's pretty impressive.
It's so much faster, and they are pretty inexpensive. Like this one is $1,250. It's crazy they're discounting it. It's only $50 off, but it's still a good deal, and I love the computer if you're video editing. Our flash training will allow you to overcome the limitations of natural light, so you can get beautiful pictures on cloudy days, on rainy days, on after dark when the sun sets so early. And it's brand new, but we're discounting it 50% off, and we're releasing new videos all the time. So head to northrop.photo to get that. If you want a Sony camera, I actually don't recommend the A7 Mark II. Get the Canon RP instead. But the A7 Mark III has been an amazing professional camera for portraits, landscapes, anything. And $1,700 is the cheapest I've ever seen it. And my camera, the Sony a7R4, is a 60 megapixel beast, the ultimate landscape camera, and they're selling it at $3,000 for 10% off. That's a great price.
We also have our Art and Science series. It's 50% off for $74.99. It's my favorite video training series that we have. Tony covers all of the technical stuff. We have more artistic things. I think it's really comprehensive. We talk about composition. We talk about seeing like a photographer, and we talk about the different times of day to get photos, to get better photos. Go to northrop.photo. We have a ton of stuff on sale there, and it would be great if you'd support us too.
If you want a Fuji camera, the entry-level camera I recommend is the X-T30. I absolutely love it, and they have huge discounts at this link. So if you're buying a camera for somebody who wants to get into photography, this is where I would start them.
This 256 gig card, I highly recommend it. These are the cards that I use. They're 43% off for $56. They're usually like $100. And I love these cards because whenever I travel, I never unload the photos. They fit all of my photos, and it acts like a backup. So my laptop has my photos, and then I just keep them all on my card. Go to sdp.io/256BF.
If you actually want to make money with your camera, you can sell portraits and prints and make a really good living at it. We show you how to do this. We give you the techniques to sell. We give you the contracts as well as how to take the beautiful portraits. Head to northrop.photo to get 50% off our taking and selling professional portraits training. Nikon is offering a discount on their latest kits, and I love the full frame Z5. It's a great entry-level camera, and bundled with the 24-200, a perfect walking around lens, it's only $2,000. You can also get discounts on our favorite Nikon DSLRs ever, the D500 for $1,500 and the D750 for $1,500. Get the D500 for sports and wildlife, the D750 for portraits, landscapes, and everything else.
Those are great deals. Hey, are you thinking about either making your life more interesting or ruining your family this holiday season? Consider getting an ant, like a DNA test. You can go to sdp.io/DNABF to get it for 50% off. I found out that I'm related to almost every Puerto Rican person, including my fellow YouTuber Miguel Quiles. We discovered that we are probably related from my DNA test.
That's cool. You also found a long-lost aunt who lived pretty close to you because she popped up on this. It's also a great way to find out what your ethnicity and heritage is. Like you can find out that you're from Italy or the Middle East, or how much of you is African. It's just really cool and fun, and for 50% off, you should definitely do it. DJI has their Black Friday sales on their drones and gimbals, and I personally recommend the Mavic Air 2. That's my daily shooter. The Mavic 2 Pro is also on sale if you want better image quality and low light stuff. And we've been using the DJI new RS gimbal, and it's absolutely amazing. It's let us move around with our shots and get nice steady video. Check those out at stp.io/DJIBF.
I like that gimbal. Okay, I made masks for Tony and people like them, so I made more. We sold out, so I made even more. And if you buy more of our masks, you save more. It's 10 for $10 each. I wish I could have got the price down even more, but they just couldn't do that for me. So go to northrop.photo to get those.
Yeah, they should hurry because we already ran out of hats. We also have bundles on all of our books. Buy them all together for $50, the ebooks, or you can get paperback shipped to you too at northrop.photo. And our everything bundle has literally everything at a 65% discount, as well as signed prints from both Chelsea and I. These are only available during this Black Friday special this week, so hurry up and order it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have found other great deals, write a comment down below, and then other people can browse through the comments and say what they've found.
Thanks.
Bye.